Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to set a buying stop limit order using your Binance mobile application. You can do this by either going to your wallet and choosing a coin that you already have, or you can click on markets and choose a coin of your choice. So today we're going to use CHZ as an example. You want to come here and click on buy. You then want to click here and choose stop limit. Now guys, today on this video we're going to show you a buying stop limit. If you want to see a selling stop limit, please visit our channel and find the video. As you can see, the price today for CHZ is 0.5100. So let's go ahead and set the stop price, which is 0.482, and let's set the limit price as 0.483. Now the reason why we're setting the limit price higher than the stop price is because that we want to make sure that Binance fulfills our order. So if the price does fall to 0.482 and quickly goes back up again, we want to make sure that all our order has been fulfilled. Once you've chosen the prices that you want to go ahead with, from below here there's the percentages, which you choose what percentage of USDT you want to use to buy the CHZ. So if you want to use 20% of your USDT or 50% of USDT when the price hits that target, then you go on ahead and choose as you prefer. Or you can input the units of CHZ you want to buy at that specific price. Or you can input the USDT amount that you want to use to buy CHZ at that price. If you're happy with this, go ahead and click buy. A message will then pop up to tell you exactly what you've set. If the last price drops to or below 0.482 USDT, an order to buy 621 CHZ at a price of 0.483 USDT will be placed. If you're happy with this, go ahead and click confirm. If you scroll down here, you should be able to see your open order, and you can cancel this anytime by hitting the cancel button. That's it guys, thank you for watching. If you benefited from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.